Okay, next one. This one you've probably seen a little bit on our webpage anyway, but I'll show you it as a completed model. This is the one done by the same guy that did the Lancaster, so he's quite diverse in what he builds. This is the 72nd scale Airfix Beaufort, straight out of the box. So it's exactly as you would see in the box, right down to all the markings and the torpedoes and all the rest of it. Quite a nice kit to build. According to the builder, he said it's very, very nice. Fairly straightforward, no great dramas. It's got all the right bits and pieces in all the right places, so it's quite a nice kit. He's closed it up a little bit from that door can be open, things like that. So all the framework in the engines there, you can see all the bits and pieces there. So the Airfix have really gone to town on this to make sure that it's as accurate as possible. As I said, just the detail and everything else. They've talked about different pieces that they've cut off. This piece here, near the turret here, there's a section that needs to be cut away. So that obviously means that there's going to be other versions. The way the kit is set up, you can obviously see they're going to do a Mark II version, but at the present, can't see that they're going to do an Aussie one from it. But you never know, they might come up with a plan. So, just to show what you can do with this, this is the Aussie one, built upon Uncle Les's 72nd scale conversion for an Australian Beaufort. It includes things like the bigger fin, different engines, different cowls, and the extra doors on the wheel wells. The extra guns on the front, which doesn't come with this kit. The turret's been slightly modified to suit more the Australian one. This one's really, really nice. It's done in resin and things like that. He's getting decals is the hard part at the moment, but we reckon that somebody out there will do it soon. This you can find, we don't sell this, he only sells it direct, but because he did this job for us, we said we'd play show and tell with his other one. This is only available from his website or from his eBay site. So if you want to do an Aussie one, which apparently a lot of people have wanted to do, you can get it from him. So there you go. There's two more that have finished and completed. These two are on display in the CBD shop if you want to come in and have a chat to us and find out any more details. But certainly two really, really nice kits. The conversion job is not that big to do. It's relatively simple as long as you've got some modelling experience and are willing to work with a little bit of resin and stuff like that. So have fun. There's a pair. See you later on.